Hello, my name is John Rodriguez, and I am with the Sports Medicine and Fitness Technology program here at Kaiser University, Orlando. Today I'm going to be speaking to you guys about exercise in the heat. I will be speaking to you guys about proper hydration, attire, acclimatization, what's going on with your body, and even heat illnesses that could possibly occur when you're exercising out in the heat. Now, before we begin to exercise, our body begins to prep itself for the strenuous activity it is about to perform. Our heart rate begins to rise, which then affects our breathing and our body temperature. In hand, as our temperature rises, our heart rate also rises, so it can begin to pump blood to its skin so we can sweat. As our body releases sweat, it is then evaporated, and this is a process which cools our body down. Please be mindful. If we are unable to release the sweat due to a humid environment or excessive clothing, our body becomes at risk for any heat illnesses that can occur. Heat illnesses occur when your body is unable to release the heat it is producing. This could expose you to three types of heat illnesses. The lesser of the three being heat cramps, which are involuntary muscle spasms. They occur throughout your body or in the muscle group that you are working out that day. Heat exhaustion, which is heavy sweating with a rapid pulse due to your body trying to cool itself down and being unsuccessful with it. And heat stroke being the worst of the three. It occurs when your body temperature reaches around 104 degrees and your body begins to overheat due to long exposure and high temperatures. There are ways to treat heat illnesses. To treat a heat illness, you can rest, cool the body down either with a nice cool shower or removing yourself from the hot environment. Sport drinks like Gatorade and Powerade also help because they contain electrolytes, will help replenish sodium. And hydrating an hour before exercise, as well as hydrating throughout your workout, are prime ways to help keep yourself cool and away from heat illness. Now, I also wanted to speak to you guys about acclimatization. It can really help you if you're new to an environment, and it can decrease your chances of dealing with any type of heat illnesses, which I just explained. Acclimatization is when an individual adjusts to a change in the environment. For example, an individual moving to a hotter climate or colder climate area, and even an individual moving to an area with higher elevation than previous. It should take you about 10 to 15 days for your body to adjust, so you should exercise at moderate intensity and also monitor your heart rate continuously throughout your exercise. Now, when it comes to wearing proper attire, it can also help keep you cool and away from any heat illnesses. Be sure that you guys wear loose-fitted clothing, which allows the sweat to evaporate. Remember that if your sweat cannot evaporate, your body temperature will begin to rise, and you will start to experience any heat illnesses, starting with heat cramps. And one little side note that I wanted to speak to you all about is hyponatremia. It is a decrease in sodium caused by excessive intake of water and also loss of water. So rather than consuming a lot of water during and after your workout, you could try a better solution like Gatorade or Powerade, which contain electrolytes that replace the sodium that your body has lost. And it can also help you from the feeling of being thirsty and consuming so much water. So I've spoken to you all about exercising in the heat, what your body does to keep you cool by releasing sweat. I spoke to you all about heat illnesses like heat cramps, heat exhaustion, and heat stroke. Ways to treat these heat illnesses like keeping the body cool and hydrating before you exercise. Wearing proper attire that can allow your body to sweat and for the sweat to be evaporated, which will cool you down. I even spoke to you guys about acclimatization, working out at moderate intensity for 10 to 15 days until your body acclimates to the environment as you monitor your heart rate continuously. And I even spoke to you guys about hyponatremia. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Thank you all, and until next time.